My name's Ffion Gwyn and I'm a councillor with Criccieth Town Council. I'm a mother of two and a teacher and an artist. As part of my role as a teacher, I teach on the Welsh Baccalaureate course to support learners in working with others on community participation projects. The students enjoy taking part in these creative community activities and it helps them gain confidence. They feel positive in contributing and the community appreciate their contribution at the end, resulting in a sense of fulfilment and feeling of belonging. It's an opportunity for them to learn new skills, communicating and engaging with all members of the community. I believe the skills I have developed in my teaching can be transferred and I use them as a town councillor, so to arrange and provide opportunities for Criccieth residents to feel as if they're a part of an inclusive community with plenty of opportunities, and it certainly results in a sense of positivity and well-being. As a town councillor, another aspect I have been developing is improving the experience of visitors, with Criccieth being a popular tourist destination in the summer months. One of these projects which I'm working on is the town map, history and creative trail, also a walking trail, which hopefully will enrich the experience of visitors whilst visiting the area and also be an insight into the town's rich cultural history and heritage. And we have many other exciting projects in the pipeline. And living in Criccieth itself, as a town councillor, one of the skills being listening to people's needs and to know, what to prioritise and what is needed to support the local residents. We also have the ability to work with others, so co-work effectively with local partnerships and to strengthen the ties whilst working to form strong relationships and successful outcomes. And I've thoroughly enjoyed my time as a town councillor so far. It's been really rewarding and also a sense of achievement, making a positive change to my local community. I also have been very appreciative of the courses and support that's available through One Voice Wales.